The 2026 Toyota Bajaj Qute represents an ambitious step forward for affordable and sustainable urban mobility. It takes the foundation laid by the original Bajaj Qute and builds upon it with modern styling, improved efficiency, and the possibility of hybrid or electric powertrains. The collaboration with Toyota, though not yet officially confirmed, has sparked widespread interest because it could combine Bajaj's cost-effective engineering with Toyota's advanced small car technology. This pairing has the potential to create a product that is practical for city use, reliable over time, and ready for evolving emission standards. Under the hood, the Qute is expected to retain its small displacement engine architecture, possibly a refined 216cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine for the internal combustion variant. However, engineers are rumored to have optimized combustion efficiency, reduced vibrations, and retuned the transmission to deliver smoother gear shifts. Such refinements could help the 2026 version achieve better torque delivery at lower RPM and maintain power even under load, especially when climbing or carrying passengers. While its horsepower may only climb slightly above the 13 horsepower mark, the improved throttle response and lighter drivetrain could make it more engaging to drive. The electric variant, if confirmed, would be the headline of the 2026 release. Industry insiders suggest that Bajaj and Toyota may introduce a compact battery pack around 15 kWh, targeting an estimated range of 130 km on a single charge. This configuration would make it ideal for short urban commutes, delivery services, or shared mobility platforms. Charging could take between 6 and 7 hours on a standard household plug, while a faster wall-mounted charger might reduce that time to under 4 hours. Maintenance for an electric setup would be far simpler, with fewer moving parts and no oil changes, reducing long-term ownership costs. In terms of driving experience, the Qute 2026 focuses on light steering, short turning radius, and easy maneuverability. The previous model already had a tight 3.5-meter turning radius, and engineers are likely to maintain or improve upon that figure. Suspension refinement is expected, possibly with a more balanced damping setup to better absorb potholes and rough surfaces common in developing markets. Combined with an independent front suspension, the overall ride quality should be smoother, more predictable, and less bouncy than earlier generations. Aerodynamics also plays an important role in such a compact body. The new Qute design incorporates a more rounded nose and flush door panels that help reduce drag at higher speeds. Even though it won't break speed records, these design improvements can slightly boost fuel economy and reduce wind noise in daily use. A lightweight composite roof and new alloy or steel hybrid wheels might also contribute to keeping overall curb weight low while improving structural rigidity and stability at top speeds of around 80 km per hour. Inside the cabin, simplicity continues to be the focus. Expect 2 front seats with improved cushioning and possibly foldable rear seats for extra cargo space when needed. The dashboard layout could feature an analog-digital combination instrument cluster displaying speed, fuel level, battery status, and range data. Basic amenities like air circulation vents, USB charging ports, a digital trip meter, and an optional Bluetooth audio system might also make their debut in the 2026 model. Though not luxurious, these touches make the driving experience more pleasant for everyday users. Safety remains an important concern for the 2026 Qute, especially after global attention to crash test ratings in the past. Bajaj and Toyota are expected to work on a reinforced safety shell with better crumple zones, enhanced door beams, and improved seatbelt anchorage. While airbags may still be optional, the structure is likely to be stronger than before, aiming to meet stricter safety norms in more markets. A stronger braking system, possibly with front discs instead of drums, could further enhance safety confidence. Another exciting element could be the inclusion of a mild hybrid or regenerative braking system in certain variants. This would allow energy recovery when slowing down, slightly improving efficiency and extending range in stop-and-go traffic. The Qute's small footprint makes it an ideal platform for testing such lightweight hybrid technologies without dramatically increasing cost or complexity. It also aligns with Toyota's long-term strategy to electrify every segment of mobility. Regarding running costs, owners can expect the Qute 2026 to be one of the most economical vehicles available. Whether powered by petrol, CNG, or electricity, its operational expense per kilometer would remain minimal compared to traditional compact cars. Maintenance intervals are expected to be longer, and spare parts should remain widely available through Bajaj's existing network, supported by Toyota's quality assurance if the collaboration materializes. This blend of low cost and reliability could make the Qute an excellent option for small business owners, delivery fleets, or urban families seeking an entry-level four-wheeler. The performance aspect should be considered from a realistic perspective. This vehicle is not about high speed but rather efficiency and convenience. Its acceleration might be modest, but the lightweight structure means it responds quickly in city conditions. It will thrive on crowded roads, narrow lanes, and tight parking spaces where larger cars struggle. The small wheelbase also ensures stability at its limited top speeds, providing safe, predictable handling even for first-time drivers transitioning from two-wheelers. Visually, the Qute 2026 is likely to adopt a friendlier and more futuristic look. Designers could include a new front grille with sleek light strips, modern LED taillamps, and aerodynamic contours. Subtle Toyota-inspired design elements may find their way into the headlights or wheel covers. The aim is to make the Qute look less like a commercial quadricycle and more like a modern compact urban car, appealing to younger buyers and families who value design as much as practicality. Finally, when it comes to the release schedule, industry speculation suggests that Bajaj may reveal the new Qute in late 2025 with sales beginning in the first quarter of 2026. Pricing will vary depending on the region and variant, but it is expected to remain highly competitive, potentially starting near the equivalent of $4,500 for the base petrol version and going up to around $8,000 for the fully equipped electric or hybrid model. This pricing would place it as one of the most accessible vehicles with a roof, doors, and modern safety features. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Bajaj Qute represents the next generation of practical mobility, compact, efficient, and designed to meet the needs of a changing urban world.